What is up, everyone?
Hey guys, how you doing?
Welcome back to the vlog channel. Today we have another vlog update. Wait, not vlog update, van update.
Finally, I know it's been ages, but you're going to see throughout this video why it's taken so long. We kind of had disaster. It was a disaster.
It's a little disaster.
So you're going to see what happened in this video. My God, I'm reliving it right now.
Oh my God, yeah.
It's 3 weeks into January, I think, and you're about to see start of December. Yeah,
stuff right before Christmas. Obviously, throughout Christmas, we haven't really been able to work that much on it, but we're now picking up again, and hopefully things will start moving faster now.
Yeah, I think, you know, everyone just gets in a bit of a slump around Christmas, don't they?
Yeah, definitely.
Let's get into a time lapse that we filmed in December.
Safe to say that the installation took a little bit longer than we thought it would.
Quite a bit longer. I thought we were going to get it done in a day, and the day we started there, the first part of the time lapse, we lost sunlight, and actually we went to Cornwall during that time, so we're now back from Cornwall. We didn't even know we were going to Cornwall at that point.
No, it was a last minute kind of decision.
So anyway, we finished the floor installation now.
Yeah.
It's not the prettiest, but it is solid.
Does the job, right? Yeah, so we've done quite a lot of different structural battens all across. Obviously we were quite, the sun is so strong. We were quite restricted with where we had to put the battens, because obviously the whole floor is there's raised levels of it.
Well, that's the trouble. The raised levels were in the middle, so these pieces are fine.
Yeah.
But as you got towards the sides, there was no raised part.
Exactly.
So we needed to think of a way to add support, and we got around it.
Yeah. And
then the other tricky part was this opening for the door. The door closes fine, but the whole thing is solid, isn't it?
Yeah, it is. It looks good. I mean, we put a plank of wood on top to make sure it's all level and everything. That was the hardest part, wasn't it? Making it level. Yeah,
it wasn't the easiest to get level, but we got there. Now that we've got the insulation down, we're going to take this fancy tape, basically, and basically we're just going to run this like this. We're going to cover every single piece, just to completely seal that. I think that's for a vapor barrier.
Yeah.
We don't have a clue what we're doing, but we're learning as we go.
Yeah, we're just following what everyone else says to do.
And by the end of this, we're either going to know how to build a van, which would be amazing, or know how to destroy one. But it'll be one or the other, and I'm going to learn a new thing, so that's great.
Yeah. Okay, guys, we are finally finished with the taping.
Don't you hate it when you run out of tape, but you've got that much left? Like I just didn't get round here. It's the only part, so annoying.
I know. Also, I've got a little battle wound. Can you guys see that?
I have one in the exact same place. We're
it's
matching.
The paper cuts.
It's literally from pulling the paper, it just gives you a little cut.
Yeah.
Anyway, that was a pain, but
we got there.
It was alright.
We did it. High five.
Yeah.
Now we've got to do the plywood. That's the next step.
So we're actually going to put the floor in now.
So this is the plywood that we're going to be using for the floor. We got 2 big pieces like this. Hopefully that will be enough. I think it will.
It should be enough, because we had 2 pieces of the exact same size insulation, and that was enough.
Yeah, true.
So it should be fine.
So we have the floor that we've taken out that was already in the van. We could use that as template, but it was really roughly cut. It wasn't properly cut around the edges, so don't know how helpful that will be. But
or we could use cardboard as a template.
True.
One or the other.
Alright, so we have just done 2 cuts. They're a little bit too small, but it's always good to be smaller than too big, right?
Yeah, we did the cuts too small initially.
Yeah.
We offered it up, and it needs a little bit more work to get it in.
Yeah.
So we're going to get it in and out a couple of times until we get it perfect. So I've got to do a little bit more on this one. This is going to vibrate a lot.
I know. do this one as well?
No, leave that for now.
Moment of truth, everyone. just a little bit off.
We are
so close.
So close. So obviously this wood needs to be against this wall over here, and we just need to take a little bit more off to get it in.
Yeah.
Oh, I can see where it is. It's just here.
Yeah, it's not too much.
I think it's going to be fine this side.
Yeah.
So just a little bit more there. Okay, so we have got the piece of wood to fit.
It fits, which is great.
Nice edge here. And
we're just marking where the wooden battens are so that we can obviously screw the floor to the wooden battens underneath.
yeah, so this one.
Roughly here.
Yeah.
Okay.
But also, just in case we need any other reference for mounting points, it's important just to know
where everything is.
where the underfloor sort of structure is.
Yeah.
We have screwed down this floor. It took us a few times in and out, didn't it? Quite a few times. But this one, we measured it really well.
Yeah.
And we think it's going to fit. We've put it in once, it didn't fit. So I've just given it a little sand of that wheel arch.
Yeah.
And
should fit now.
We'll give it another try. Shall I try it by myself?
Yeah, go on. We have put some silicone under as well to kind of absorb any impact. Does it fit?
God,
oh my
look
god! That's a perfect seam. But wait, does it not need a tiny little gap in between this in case it expands? Maybe we didn't want a perfect fit.
Maybe not there, but it maybe just around the edges, which it does have most of the way.
Yeah, that's actually a really good fit. Even in that corner there.
Oh my god, yeah.
That's really good.
Look at that. You can't even see the line.
I know, that's mental. We did good. Alright guys, it's a few days later. It is so cold today, but we're pushing on. We've done the floor.
We've finished the floor, and we've got these wooden samples in now. I think this is what we're going to have in the main area, but because it's quite thick and heavy, we'll have something different in the garage area, but this will be really hard wearing.
Yeah.
And then today we're installing windows.
Sorry, and that's just going to be where we're actually going to walk, and then everything else is going to be the cabinets, isn't it?
Exactly, yeah. But yeah, here's the window. We're installing the rear windows today because my dad's here, so we've got some help. Yeah, which we're going to need.
Yeah, let's get on.
There's two skins on the door, and the first layer is this, so we're going to angle grind that off first, and then it will be in line with this bit, and then we'll cut this panel from the outside probably.
Yeah.
I think that's right.
Yeah.
Let's see.
Alright, so we have
cut
out a hole
It's quite scary.
in the van, which is a bit scary. We've put the seal around it.
Yeah,
And
got
we're just
that trim.
about to press the window.
The only
Again,
trouble
just
is,
to see what it looks like.
yeah, when we put that there, even without the trim,
Yeah.
look at this gap. It's the entire
God.
way.
Wait, but I think it needs to go up, doesn't it?
What do you mean go up?
Like the whole window has to go
Well,
up.
yeah, I think it should be against it because there's no way the silicone. That's
Maybe
like.
it's meant to. I think it's meant to be flush with this though.
Whoa, that's like a 10mm gap. And look, it's the same the other side. Look on the other side.
This. I don't know. I think that's okay. If it's pressed up against like that and it's flushed with this bit and it's like sitting on top of that, it should be okay.
But that's so much
I know
silicone.
there's still a gap. I know.
Have a look at the other side.
That's how they all are, to be honest. Oh yeah, there is a bit of a gap, isn't
Look,
there?
look at the top.
Yeah, it's quite a lot.
Look up there. You can get your fingers behind there.
Yeah.
Doesn't seem.
What now? We've got a hole in there.
Doesn't seem normal.
Now what? What are we gonna do? What a disaster. Alright, so we are just continuing with the window.
Yeah, well, we realised we didn't show much detail about how we did the other one, so basically, once we cut that out, we just centre punched through here.
Yeah, all around.
Yeah, you just get all the little, can you see?
Yeah, it's kind of like
It's hard to see.
follow the dots.
Yeah, and then, you know, just join the dots up, and now, what we're going to do now, we're going to use this. I got this on Amazon. The deeper you go, the bigger the hole gets, which is quite cool. I'm just going to drill a hole. I'm going to get it this side. And then basically, yeah, just jigsaw this out basically, aren't we?
Yeah, it's quite scary.
Is that going out alright?
Yeah, I think so. Double check.
Yeah, that's in line with this, so you just got to keep it in line with that.
Yeah.
It should be good.
Straightforward. We've cut out the window, just attached by tape. There you go. Do you want me to get it?
There you go. Alright.
Nice.
And then you just file down the edges. We'll
Yep.
have to touch up these edges with some paint so they don't rust.
Yep.
And yeah, we contacted the company about the windows, but they still haven't got back to us if that's normal.
Yeah, we're not sure, so we kind of just have 2 holes in the door now.
And then yeah, once we've touched up on here, we just put the trim on. But yeah, if we have 2 holes in the door, we'll just have to put a tarpaulin over or something, won't we?
Yeah, shouldn't be too bad.
So we'll see.
So guys, it's been a couple of weeks since you've seen the last clip, and this is the current state of the van.
So basically, the glass didn't fit. There was a
Yeah.
huge gap all the way around.
It wasn't
the
our
glass.
fault though. It was
Yeah.
the people that sent us the windows. They sent us 2 different ones from 2 different manufacturers.
Yeah.
And we just weren't able to fit them. We should have totally checked the windows before we fitted them, but we didn't.
Yeah, well, no, we did check them and they didn't fit, but we thought when we cut the hole out that they would fit.
Yeah.
And they didn't, and they fitted a little bit better without the trim,
Also,
but not perfectly.
as we already cut out the holes, we realised that the windows were like different widths. Like they were like literally not the
So,
same.
We weighed them.
Yeah.
They were different weights. They were completely 2 different manufacturers.
Yeah.
So we put a tarp on. Originally we put it like over
All over.
completely, but it actually leaked and flooded the van.
It flooded the van. There was like a puddle. It was literally like soaked. The floor, the wooden floor was soaked. We were like, okay, what do we do?
I mean, so this is how we fixed it.
Yeah, and this is the makeshift.
I mean, that wasn't ideal either, really, was
No,
it?
I mean, there's still like little gaps, but this is definitely a lot better than it was. It's more watertight.
Should we show inside?
Yeah, let's show them the inside because, I mean, you can still see the evidence of where it flooded.
Put a tarp. Once I realised it flooded.
We put a tarp down, but you can see here where it kind of like left a stain and stuff. But it is dry now, I think.
Yeah. It completely flooded the back area.
It was
which
not
so
good.
annoying.
It was not good.
The reason it's taken so long is because we've tried to get more glass. We ordered glass from a different company and it had these horrible dots on it.
Yeah, we didn't like it.
And the company we ordered this glass from, they were like, oh, we're getting more stock in a few weeks from another manufacturer, a third manufacturer. So
we literally have 3 sets of 3 different types of windows now, which we have to return 2 of them.
Yeah, well, none of them fit, so we're still waiting on a set to fit, basically. So it's been a nightmare. The van's flooded. It's not flooding anymore.
No.
You guys saw it snowed.
Yeah, it snowed. It's literally raining right now, so we've not had the best conditions to work in either.
No, not at all. We have had an email now from the glass company saying that the glass is right this time. So hopefully when that arrives,
Fingers crossed.
it will work. But we're going to have to end this video here. It was full of disaster.
Yeah.
The floor took so long.
It took a long time, yeah. Hopefully the next van will be a little more successful than this one.
The next van? You're planning
the next van
You're
vlog.
planning the next van vlog. I was thinking the next van already.
The next van, yeah.
This one's going to be destroyed
Haven't
in a
even
month.
finished this one.
Yeah, hopefully the next one will be better. We've actually ordered a lot of stuff. So, yeah.
We'll see you guys in the next one. So
see you in the next one.
stay tuned.
Bye.